I'm James Taylor with Bare Metal Standard. What do you do if your kitchen exhaust hood cleaning company doesn't show up? First things first, what's the current situation of your kitchen? Meaning, when was the last time it was serviced? On the hood that you have, you can check the inspection tag of when that last service was. Is it due this month? Was it due a year ago? And you're overdue. That's going to indicate the urgency that you have to get a new vendor right away. So step one, you're looking for a reputable company. What you need to do is Google search, use AI, find companies in your area that have a long-standing reputation of being a good kitchen exhaust hood cleaning provider. You're looking for good Google reviews. You're looking for somebody that understands what your system needs. So step two, you're looking to get a quote from a kitchen exhaust hood cleaning vendor. Get multiple quotes so you can compare and contrast the level of service and their scope. You're looking for somebody, a vendor, that can clean the full system to your unique needs. Those unique needs will be how often you need to be cleaned, and then also cleaning the complete system, which then goes to step three. So step three, comparing price. It really does come down to price when it comes to taking care of your system and making sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck. However, that does rely on you found a reputable company in step one, and you're comparing the scope of the service is apples to apples. You don't want to have somebody that's just going to clean what you can see and not clean the exhaust fan on the roof and all of the connecting ductwork, because that's where the fire hazard can go from inside the kitchen out into the dining room because of the unknown horizontal ductwork. Bonus step, expect and inspect your vendor's work. And how do you do that? Well, you do that by asking them for the completion report. They should provide you before and after pictures. They should provide you schematics of where the duct system goes. Any information about your kitchen exhaust system should be reported to you, the customer. So here at Bare Metal Standard, this is what we look to provide you. Everything that we just described is something that we provide to you as a potential customer for free. A free price quote that finds the system configuration and the unique aspects of your system to keep it fire safe. We've been doing this since 1964, and at the end of the day, we are looking to keep your system fire safe and be that fire safety partner.